Rochambeau Smash 4. Smash 4 Rochambeau Hybrid. Or Bridge. Yeah, or Brawl. Okay. So
we got a lot of clouds.
we got Marathon versus Vermanubi here.
Oh yeah.
So
Classic Brawl players.
That's an abbreviation name.
So far they just been up there and
Oh, is this 3 clouds?
yeah.
Oh god. Double cloud is banned. That's just it.
Is this how people who don't play cloud become cloud players? It's disgusting. You're making a bad game for us.
Okay. All right, so here we have Pot and Par versus EZPZ and Rogue. Oh yeah, there's okay. So this is
Disgusting.
yeah. It's, I'm not.
Commentary?
No. So this is just degeneracy. So we got Potato here. Oh, he's got Limage. Limage. Okay. Good night, everybody. So yeah, coming down with that Clim Hazard. Yep, throwing that cost. He nared up there. F4 there. Oh, dude, is it really?
Yeah.
Like cannon?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's pretty sweet.
Braver is
The first limit in FF7, yeah.
yeah, and then later you get Climate.
Oh, dude,
The big
dude, where's Meteor Rain? That's like the only one they didn't get in there.
Yeah.
It's like what they got Braver Cross Electric Most level 1. Blade Beam is level 2 along with Climb Hazard. And 3 is finishing touch and Meteor Rain 4 Doc. Man, I can't wait. You know, Brooklyn, I can't. FF7 is a bad game, but I can't wait for it to come out on Switch because I love that game.
It's not a bad. It's a good game.
Well,
it has its problems.
You know what? Thank you. I agree. I personally do not think it is a bad game. I think it's very poorly balanced. I think there are some critical flaws, but I think overall it's
I like the part where Parrot's useless. Like you don't use half the party members just because like Sid and Resident are better.
Oh yeah, it's just like they congeal. There's like the only thing that separates them is their limit. And it's just like Barrett's like what is this, Catastrophe? It sucks in comparison. It's like Omni Slice, and yeah, Sid who like can just like cheese slots.
He throws knives.
Yeah, it's just like Sid can cheese slots. Does anyone ever literally had any use for Great Gospel that early in the game? I think not. Then oh god, Sid Highwind is okay.
Wait, they won? Hang on, EZPZ and Rooster just won. They were down like 3 stocks.
Oh wow! So how many kills did Wait, go. Dude, that's disgusting.
One time me and Huey were playing in doubles at a BSU event, and I played Diddy and he played CSS, and he got 6 kills.
All right.
I was just like forward airing and throwing bananas. Whoa! Yes! It's Big Mario!
Big Mario.
Playing in his worst matchup, but twice. Yeah, certain aspects of FF7 haven't aged super well. Like, I'm playing through it right now, and it's like, oh, I don't remember not liking the snowboarding section, but I don't like it.
Yeah, it's like same here because I played through it most recently, like maybe 2-3 years ago. And it's just like the things I really try to like. I'll try to like revisit old games and try to like games that were poorly balanced, but like maybe had some kind of vestige of good design behind them. I tried so hard to like underlevel myself and not like abuse like OP material, but still it's just and the fact that like in the original PS1 version it's just like it wasn't like magic defense, it was like completely ignored.
Oh yeah, no, it doesn't matter.
So yeah, there's just so much. But like honestly, I think Emerald and Ruby are some of the best super bosses in the entire series.
Oh yeah, no, okay, best Pokemon game. Well, yeah, no, Wikipedia doesn't say so. Correct. Oh, Rooster's Bayonetta, what the fuck?
Oh wow, I haven't seen the Rooster.
Off the top.
The Rooster Netta.
How do you? When did you learn how to do that? Why don't you play this character? That's insane. Bowser? Oh god.
I gave up my life of luxury. Bowser. I gave up. You know, this actually is pretty even, except for Potato, who almost lost the entire game. That was very bad by Potato. Potato got hit again. Well, we have Parrot here, you know, doing the work. You know, Potato's over there got it. DDD in the background. Reminder, Potato, that DDD is not a character. You cannot hit him. Okay, now it's time. Okay, oh wait, oh great.
Oh, wow.
Oh wait, now Tucker's ruining everything.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
This is Spaghetti City right here. That they're just pushing buttons. Pretty soon Wario's gonna have WAP. They're gonna push the wrong button. Like.
Oh man, it's actually pretty even again.
Although Wario's gonna have WAP, he has WAP right now, so like if they push the wrong button at any given time, they just lose. Like beating Cloud so early, if they like are forced into a recovery situation, find them in their nose, you can just like in the way, there's nothing but you.
Okay.
Again?
So, well, yeah, it's unfortunate that Potato ruined it all. So I wonder if he's gonna be able to sleep at night now. Easy peasy with the big brain jumps. The clap on shield. Oh, trying to give him that.
Just
smack him in the hiney.
Just fucking walk him. Take him off the top.
Hello, Baloo, and howdy do, Musty Prawns and Timbuktu.
Whoa!
Alright, so we have EZPZ and Rooster taking it 2-0.
You know, it's funny. He actually took himself. He was dead. That walk didn't connect. He just threw away that stock.
That's our boys.
I love Mario.